Welcome back, family. So today we're going to be talking about how I make and install my K-tips. Hi, my name is Elke. I am a natural curly K-tip specialist located in Westminster, California, Orange County to be exact. So when it comes to creating and making K-tips, one of the things that I am so forward about and I stand behind is making your own. A lot of stylists are utilizing factory bonds, and I do not like the way factory bonds are made. They're very, very hard like glue, and honestly, I feel like it does rip out a lot of clients' hair. So I opt out and opt into creating my own K-tips. I create 300 pieces using raw Malagasy hair from Madagascar, okay? This hair is top tier quality, all right? And when it comes to installing the K-tips, I really ensure that this part, I really take my time. A lot of times, this can take between 6, 8, 10 hours, depending on how thick the client hair is. And as you can see, I do not apply the K-tips all the way up to the scalp. I usually would give about a half an inch of space before I apply the capsules to the client's hair. And I make sure I density match to ensure that it's not heavy, bulky, and uncomfortable, because at the end of the day, we want to ensure that the client can put up in a ponytail, don't have any discomfort in wearing her K-tips. Okay, so this part is very, very important when it comes to not only making the K-tips, but installing the K-tips. So as you can see, it is a seamless install. I typically do not do invisible. I do traditional K-tips, but it comes out even more beautiful. It's full, it's lush. And when it comes to natural hair, it's just the best technique to apply the K-tips. It comes out so pretty, you guys, like so full, so lush. This is why I'm really emphasize using raw Malagasy hair, because it's the most natural looking hair for our 3C to 4C girlies, okay? There is no other hair out in the market that's going to mimic our natural curl pattern and density, just like raw Malagasy hair from Madagascar. It is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, what I like to do is I always like to do the flexi rod set, because I find that it just accentuates the curls even more beautiful. And you can really, really wear that natural curl, defined curl look, and it just comes out so pretty, you guys. I really love utilizing this technique on my clients who want to wear their hair, because then I teach them how to do this at home, which is very, very easy. And with my PDF, you will follow along effortlessly. I absolutely love this technique. It comes out so pretty. And every time everybody wears it, the end result is really, really top tier. And I'm just a big fan of flexi rods. You can even use perm rods. You could do braids, however you feel comfortable. You can really, really just have fun with this style, because it is coming out of your scalp. It looks like your hair, family. Like, I cannot stress this enough. Like, look how absolutely gorgeous this is. I'm located in Westminster, California. If you are looking to get your K-tips done and you want them to look natural, straight out of the scalp, comment me down below. I am running an offer for the next 10 girls. So comment me down below and I'll send you my link.